Now let us discuss the concept that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. That means if we have two chords of equal length and when we join these chords with the center, they will subtend equal angle. Let us take a circle with center O and AB and CD be two chords of equal length. And we have to prove that angle AOB and angle COD, this angle is equal to this angle. That means equal chords will subtend equal angle at the center. So that means we are given that AB is equal to CD and we are to prove that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. For this we will do some construction. Join OA, OB, OC and OD. Now to prove that these are equal, the angles are equal, we will take the triangles in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. OA is equal to OC and radii of the same circle. Similarly, OB is equal to OD. The reason is the same. They are also the radii of the same circle because OA, OB, OC and OD are the radius of the same circle. Now we are given that AB is equal to CD. It has been given to us because we have been given that the chords are equal. So AB is equal to CD. Now the SSS criteria shows the congruence of two triangles. The SSS criteria states that if three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of other triangle, then the two triangles are similar, and here we have seen that OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and AB is equal to CD. That means three sides of one triangle are correspondingly equal to the three sides of the other triangle. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle. Now A will correspond to C, O will correspond to O and B will correspond to D. That using the SSS criteria. Now using this criteria we have proved that the two triangles are congruent, and from CPCT, that means the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Hence we have proved that if the two chords are equal, they will subtend equal angle at the center. Here the AB and CD are two chords and the angle they are subtending is angle AOB and angle COD. Now we have proved that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. So we can say that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. We have just proved that if we have equal chords, they will subtend equal angle at the center. Now we will prove the converse of the theorem. That means if two chords are subtending equal angles at the center, then the chord will be equal. That means again we will draw a circle with center O. We have two chords, let the chord be AB and the other chord is CD. Let us join OA, OB, OC and OD. And we are given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That means we are given that angle AOB is equal to angle COD, and we are to prove that AB is equal to CD. As in the earlier theorem, we have proved that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. That means in that theorem we were given that the chords are equal and we were supposed to prove that the angles will be equal. Now the converse will be, we are given that the angles are equal and we have to prove that the chords are equal. So for this, let us again take the triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now in both the triangles, OA is equal to OC, radii of the same circle, and again OB is equal to OD, again the same reason, radii of the same circle, and we are given that angle AOB is equal to angle COD. It has been given to us because the angles are equal. Now the two triangles are congruent using the criteria SAS, that means two sides and the angle included those sides. That means if AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and the included angle, that means AOB is equal to angle COD, then we can say that the correspondence is true using the criteria SAS. So we can say that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle. For A it will be, the corresponding part will be C, for O it will be O, and for B it will be D using the criteria SAS congruence. So according to the SAS congruence criteria, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now triangle AOB is congruent to COD, so for the, according to CPCT, that means corresponding parts of congruent triangles, we can say that AB is equal to CD, and this is what we were supposed to prove. So hence we have proved that if two chords subtend equal angle at the center, then the chords are equal. Now let us take a question on this concept. Suppose we are given a circle with center O. We have two chords AB and a chord PQ. We are given that AB is equal to PQ. This is O. We are given that AB is equal to PQ and the angle AOB is equal to 65 degree. We are supposed to find angle POQ. As we are given that AB is equal to, the solution will be, as we are given that AB is equal to PQ, that means chords are equal, and we know that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center, and we have been given that angle AOB is equal to 65 degree because AB is equal to PQ. Therefore angle AOB is equal to angle POQ because equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Now as the chords are equal, that means these angles are equal, and we are given that angle AOB is equal to 65 degree. Therefore angle POQ will also be equal to 65 degree. So this is how we can find the angle POQ when we are given the angle AOB, because we know that AB and PQ are equal chords and equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. As angle AOB is 65 degree, so we can say that angle POQ will be 65 degree.